How's it going, everyone? Today I want to do a little unboxing review of this little side terminal ratcheting wrench. It's a 5/16, and I also bought a 10mm one, which, as you can see, it didn't even make it out of the store. I lost it. I'm playing with y'all, but there is a 10mm one. You know, so there's a 5/16 and a 10mm. I just got the 5/16. I don't need the 10mm. But if you do need a 10mm one, there is that option. That one's usually for, I forgot what it was saying. It was for vehicles that were domestic vehicles and imported as well. Most imported and domestic vehicles. That's what it's used for. But this one is used for use on 5/16 battery terminal bolts found on GM and other domestic vehicles. And then the model number for this guy is 97261. And this one over here is 97260. A 10mm. So I'm just giving a heads up. The reason I bought this is because I got a GM vehicle. And the reason why is because if you do know, like around 2006, I don't know if they keep on doing this on the newer cars, but around that time, they made batteries with the terminals on the side of the battery, not on top, like regular cars. And, you know, sometimes you can't fit a ratchet in there. You can fit a wrench, but no ratchet. And, you know, some of us, you know, don't want to go buy a pack of wrenches that's ratchet just for one little battery, you know. And some of us want to do it quickly, you know. Some of us wants to get home, you know, all this and that. So you could get this one or the 10mm for $3. That's not bad. $3. You can have this in your vehicle, in your toolbox. It's a perfect tool to have as a mechanic. And there's so many good things about it. Let's see. It says reversible ratcheting box and Satin chrome plated finish and resistant corrosion. Valley Comfort grip handle. Does look like it has a good grip, obviously, but I don't know if it's comfortable. We'll see. It looks like you can flip it here. The other one should be the same. There should be nothing different. So yeah, this should be a pretty good little item. And I'll show you what I mean by if some people don't know what I'm talking about. But there's some vehicles that have and some don't. And this is not a bad item to have. I mean, yeah, we got wrenches and stuff, but some of us wants to like ratchet instead of wrench it, and for $3, it's not a bad deal. This is a good deal in my opinion, just for one of these. Or you could buy both. You know, and at the end it'll cost you $7, maybe $10 at the end with tax and everything, or a little more, depending. You know, we're not, everybody doesn't get taxed the same. Everybody gets taxed a little different, you know. But this is a pretty good little guy. I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna look at it. So give me a couple seconds. Okay, now we're gonna cut this. So let's cut it. Let's go right here. All right, there we are. And here we got the tool. A 5/16 Pittsburgh Automotive. And then you can flick it here, which you do that. And then you go on the other side and you flick that. So basically you have to turn it in order to flick it. So like this or like this, you know, depending what direction you want. And also this is 5/16 GM battery wrench, China. Had this for a while, but I'm not deciding as much. I'm wondering, I think this doesn't come with a lifetime warranty. Just giving a heads up, which I don't remember seeing. Which usually I don't buy anything, usually that's Pittsburgh Automotive, that does not come with a warranty. But there's no way, well, unless you drop it, it gets crushed by something. But it does not come with a warranty all the way. But since I didn't need, you know, I didn't need to do that, you know. I don't need a warranty for this guy. I mean, $3, you know, it ain't bad. So we're going to use it to see if we can take a battery off of a car here. But, yeah, we'll see. I got a GM that has a battery that is dead. He didn't make it. And yeah, it's time to buy a new one. I'm going to buy it a good one. I don't want to buy any of the cheap ones. This battery said it was for a 3-year warranty, and it lasted 3 years. Didn't make it longer. Usually, batteries nowadays aren't the same as they were back then. I know Walmart used to have like a 5-year warranty, but now they don't. They only have a 3-year warranty. Everybody's kind of doing that. They're only getting 2 or 3 years of the battery warranty. That kind of stinks. Back then, you used to hang in there longer. I think I had we bought one from Napa. It lasted 7 years, that battery, before it died completely. And that was really surprising when I found out it only lasted 7 years. I was like, 7 years for Napa battery? I'm going to buy another one because I want it to last the same amount. But they've been changing batteries a lot, so yeah. So we're going to go get this puppy a test drive, so we'll be back here in a couple minutes. Okay, so we got the little wrench here. And this is the battery I was talking about. This is a 2001 Suburban, and they usually have the terminals on the side, not right here, which is kind of weird, ain't it? So, you know, I decided to buy this tool because I know this battery is bad. It's, you know, needs to be replaced in the last 3 years. And yeah, it's gonna be replaced. So yeah. So here we got the little little 5/16 ratcheting wrench. And you can also use an 8, but you know what I mean. If you're going to take this battery off, you're going to be here for a little while, and you're going to be like, you know, doing this just to pop it off, you know. You're going to be like that. I mean, you could get it, but it's uncomfortable. See, it's a little uncomfortable. And this little tool, you don't have to be worrying about that. So let me turn this back up so we can test it with the tool. All right. So here we go. Here we go. You don't have to be worrying about hitting the plastic and slowing you down. It's a little more faster this way. And if you just need to tighten it back up, just switch it back. You know, tighten it up a bit if possible. Then start tightening up. Maybe done a little faster. You know, you should be loosening it up. You know, you'd be like this. This one's a little faster. All you do is just ratcheting quickly. Sometimes the ratchet can fit there, sometimes it can't. But that's the reason why I wanted to buy one, because you don't have to be dealing with that. And you know, here we are. As you can see here, we got in the corner. And in case you hit the metal, it has this gummy part, so it shouldn't be easily to pop. But there we are. This tool is a good little item to have if you have vehicles that have this type of terminal on the side. And some people don't have enough room, so, you know. But this is a good tool. I would recommend it. You go into a Chevrolet Suburban, a Silverado, one of these old ones. They're 20 years old. They're starting to be near 20 years old. And they're not easy to kill. They're really reliable vehicles if you take care of them as you're supposed to. All right. Well, thanks for watching and have a good day.